Welcome to Loyal Bee! Hello, dear. Let's play a game. Guess the animal game with farm animals. Game mechanics. Read the clues carefully. Guess the farm animal. Try your best and win a star. It likes to eat grass. It provides milk. It makes the sound moo. It's a big farm animal. Can you guess what it is? It's a cow. C-O-W. Cow. It's a cow. It has feathers. It can lay eggs. It makes the sound cluck cluck. Its baby is called a chick. Can you guess? Hen. It's a hen. H-E-N. Hen. It likes to eat grass. It provides wool. Its baby is called a lamb. It makes the sound ba ba. Can you guess what it is? Sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. It's a sheep. It has feathers. It has webbed feet. Its baby is called a duckling. It makes the sound quack quack. Can you guess what it is? Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. It's a duck. It runs fast. It can be ridden. Its baby is called a foal. It makes the sound nah. Can you guess what it is? Horse. H-O-R-S-E. It's a horse. It's bigger than a chicken. It has huge feathers. Its baby is called a poult. It makes the sound gobble gobble. Can you guess what it is? Turkey. T-U-R-K-E-Y. Turkey. It's a turkey. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment and subscribe to Loyal Bee.